Okay, y'all, I got a Fiat 500X 2016. It's stuck in park. Got to show you guys how, if you got this problem, how to get the vehicle stuck. It's stuck, it won't move. The car is off, by the way. So what I had to do was, basically I lifted this up. You want to take this off, get your flathead screwdriver. So you guys can see in here. You want to lift that up, and you see this hole right here. It's this hole. If you guys can see it, this hole. What you want to do is you want to stick your flathead in. There's a little button. It pushes, and make sure you got your foot on the brake. It releases. That releases it. It's back in park.